In this tutorial, we're going to take a look at how to make a master slide so that we do not have to duplicate or reformat each slide each time we're making a presentation. Let's go into Google Slides and click on Slides. Here we can drop down to Edit Master. Now there's two ways we can do this. We can edit to where the master slide is on every single slide. I'm going to show you that way first. Or we can go in and change and make little layouts here. Let's look at master slide first. Here we're going to go in and set a background. But first we want to get rid of everything that's on here. So we're going to get the crossbars onto the blue line and hit delete on both of these. Now we have a blank sheet or slide to start with. Let's go ahead and hit background. And today I'm going to choose an image. You could just choose colors, but I'm going to choose an image today. And I choose something kind of simple. And you'll see that it's applied to every single slide and layout on your presentation. This is if you add a title or anything to this master slide, it's going to apply to each layout. So another thing we could do here is we could add a shape. Let's go ahead and add a large rectangle. If we fill that in with white, we would be able to see very clearly on that. However, I still don't see any of my image. I want to see a little bit of my image, so I'm going to go up here to Fill Color and go to Custom and make it a little transparent so that I can see through it some. And here it's a nice shade lighter so that I can type on it. Let's do a title placeholder here. So each time that I want to type something, the title would automatically go right in here. I'm going to make my title a little larger in size. And then let's say I'm going to add a picture. Now when I add a picture, it goes on every single slide. So if you're adding a picture on this master, then you know that you want this picture in the exact same spot on every single slide. So I'm going to insert picture, upload. I'm going to do this cute little dog here. And as you can see, this dog, wherever I move it, it applies to every single slide. So if I shrink him, let's shrink him down just a little bit and add him to the upper corner over here, you can see he also moves in the upper corner on every slide. So this is one way you can create a slide presentation if you're wanting every single slide to have the exact same background. Let me show you another way. I'm going to go to Apps and start a new. And here we're going to start a new blank slide. This time, let's go to Slides and Edit Master, just like we did before, but we're going to look at the layouts. We're not going to mess with the master slide. We're going to make different types of layouts under these here. So this is our title slide as indicated here. I'm going to get rid of this and start blank again, making sure my crossbars on the blue line, and I'm going to insert background. I'm going to go with the same background as I did before. You can see it only applies to this one slide this time. I'm going to choose a shape. Choose a diamond this time. And I'm going to stretch him out a little bit here. See if we can make him transparent as well by going to the Fill Color and Custom. And because this is my title slide, I'm going to come up and add a title placeholder. I want that to be centered and centered. Let's do a subtitle placeholder as well. And I want that to be centered. Now this is what our title page would look like. We can make a different layout if we tap down on the second one. This is a section header, so maybe this time we want, let's get rid of this and delete, the same image. So let's go with background again and choose the same image. Give you other options here. But instead of putting a diamond on this, let's go ahead and, since this is our subheader, let's place a rectangle at the top and stretch that out. And again, I want that to be somewhat see-through, so I'm going to go to Fill and Custom. And then we could type in a title placeholder as well on this. Let's do one more layout. So you can see, get our crossbars and delete, crossbars and delete, and the same image on background. Choose a background, download, and open. Just want to show you several options so that you can see what it looks like when we have choices. And let's put another shape. This time let's put it on the side here. And let's make it transparent as well. So let's go and see what this looks like. Let's exit out of this, and we want to add a slide. Now we can add a slide and it'll automatically choose, or we can add a slide with the drop down and we have choices here. So we can then choose which layout we want for our slides. The great thing is this is all going to be saved into your themes now. So you can have blank slides or create your blank theme here and reuse it over and over. I hope this helps you edit your master slides.